Craving those tater tots and a blast? Here's how to speed up your Sonic order using Apple Pay. First, let's cover the drive-thru experience. When you're at the order kiosk, simply tell the Sonic employee you'd like to pay with Apple Pay. At the kiosk, you'll see a payment terminal. Follow the on-screen prompts when instructed. Unlock your iPhone. You'll then authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. Depending on your iPhone model, a quick press of the side button might also be needed. Hold your iPhone near the terminal until you feel a vibration and see a confirmation on the screen. That's it. Your payment is complete. But what if you want to beat the line altogether? You can also use Apple Pay seamlessly with the Sonic mobile app. Open your Sonic app and build your delicious order. When you reach the checkout screen, look for the Pay with Apple Pay option. Tap that button and your iPhone will prompt you to confirm the payment again. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once confirmed, you'll see a success message when you arrive at the Sonic drive-thru. You can simply show your order confirmation in the app to the car hop. Enjoy your food and the convenience of fast, contactless payments every time you visit Sonic.